Look at all this. Look at this. So many people. So many. Busy, chat. Pattaya. Da 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 da, chat. Energy drink. Let's throw away. Bye bye. Look at this, chat. Oh, hell yeah. Look at our setup, dude. What's going on? Oh, there's a lot of police. A lot. Walk, chat, explore. This amazing firework event. Oh, bubble! Whoa. Bubble attack. Oh, hello. Hi. Internet's gonna be bad when the fireworks start, chat. Cannot go this way. Bike. No bike this way, chat. Not allowed for the people to walk. Oh, turn back. Turn back. Free? Oh, yes. Can take it. Free stuff. Refreshing. I like it. Which one? Sweet. Sweet.
Yes, free taste.
Free taste. Hello, free taste. Everybody, free taste. Free stuff. Thank you.
เดี๋ยวเรียนเชิญทุกท่านนะคะ เดี๋ยวเรียนเชิญท่านผู้บริหารนะคะเยี่ยมชมนะคะในส่วนของนิทรรศการค่ะ
Have a camera. Tourist police. Chat. Green. What is this? Green. They all look so cool. Yeah, let's follow. Where they going? Thai style, chat. Thai style. Well, music out of nowhere. Hype. Music, chat. Hype. They go on the stage. Getting ready, chat. Walk. Explore. Look chup. 40 baht. Meatball. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Bug chat. Are you interested?
ข้าวไข่เจียวกล่องละ50 บาทร้อนๆเลยนะครับ
Is there more bug? It's more bug? No. Food. It must be some spicy stuff, chat. That's a reasonable price too. All this like food that I see here. Not bad, chat. Many people. Oh, sashimi. Hey, what else do we have here? Donut? Sure, get some donut. 5 for 100 baht. And so there's a lot of food. Let's keep it moving, chat. Explore, dude. Oh, keep it moving. To walk around, explore, food and drink, chilling and walk around. Banana, human being, chat. Walk around. Walk. Whoa. What's up?
What's up again?
Hello. I'm good. And people. Is the internet good over there?
Why? Is this bad?
It's kind of F a little bit.
What is your plan when you have a firework?
Huh?
What is your plan when they have a firework? Where are you gonna film?
If I steam around here, it's gonna F. I'm quite sure.
Yeah, we have that every year.
Yeah.
We should know that already. I think you should like pretend to be like live in somewhere in a hotel and just go up the rooftop, swimming pool rooftop. Just pretend like you live there.
Is there an idea? I have a room, so I can go back to my room.
I have my dad's room. I can go. Only if you have like Wi-Fi in your room.
Yeah, I don't have that. What time? Firework?
7:30.
Okay.
So you going tomorrow?
What time you go? Like it?
I don't even know if I wake up early. Yes. because it's gonna be difficult to go there. Because it's far away, 35 kilometers away. Yeah, but I tried to book like today, the boat, they don't have it, but the Grab, they try to ask for more money. It's only
Yeah, I know.
600 baht. Yeah, but if you go there, if I go there, maybe we can go back together. To save money.
Can.
Because tomorrow there was the final one. It looks interesting, right? Hope you have a good internet and not every.
Yes, enjoy. See you later. Later. What?
Well, no, I'm saying.
Okay. Bye bye. Good luck with the internet. Getting better? Oh, I'm sure it's gonna F again, chat. I'm gonna walk past Soy 6, chat. Stream gonna F in Soy 6, I think. Just this area. But it's good footage for YouTube. And we don't just walk past. Let's go. Let's go. Walk. Soy 6 is busy today. TikTok live, I think. It's a TikTok live?
YouTube.
YouTube?
YouTube like it.
Why like that? What was that? Hey, to the beach. To the beach area. Walk back to the beach area. Whoa, Spider-Man! Oh, police. Look at the line, chat. I just walk out. A lot of people. busy. And there's more coming. More people. Keep coming. People. Busy, chat. Some of these people could be alien. You never know, man. Weed. Yes, man. Weed. Some people doing drugs, which I'm super against. Place looks so cool. Is it new place open? Hey. Hello. How much water I can?
It's okay. That only 30 baht. I take care you. You're my
okay.
good friend.
Okay. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey.
And you?
Relax. I walking at the beach. Really busy. How are you doing? Fireworks soon. I thought just Cat say the fireworks is like 7:30 or something. Cannot rely on just Cat much. They're always super friendly, super chill. There's a nice chill bar with 3 sexy ladies here. Beautiful, really beautiful. Water. Internet is not good still. What time fireworks start? Go walk around. Okay, bye. Bye. See you later. You eating? Yeah. Okay, bye. Soy Bua Khao area. Let's go. Soy Bua Khao chat. Dude, there's so many bikes, so many cars. It's crazy. There's a bar right here. There's a boss here. Boss. Hello, boss here. No English. Boss à? Boss อยู่ไหนอ่ะออกไปเมื่อกี้เอ้ยกลับมาตอนไหนอ่ะไม่รู้อ่ะLook, firework. Where? Firework or car accident? What was that, chat? It's a chill area here. Bua Khao Market. Have live music here. Live music. Oh, dog. Walk on this road because she stole my car. You're not work at the bar anymore, no?
I change room only.
You change room?
Yep.
Good location.
And my size same. Sleep with me.
Oh, it's good.
Yes. Big room.
Big room. How much per month?
10,000.
Include electric and.
Yeah. Have everything.
Okay, I go walk
Okay,
around.
see you
Other day,
tomorrow.
I come.
Okay.
Yes. Bye. That house bar. Hello, where's Where's the boss? It's a dark horse bar, chat. Dark horse bar. Dark horse bar. Chill bar. Nice bar. Sexy. Hey, bye bye. Bye bye. Go walk. And there's a pig here. Smell good. Smell good. Smell good, chat. What? Whoa. Okay. That's it? Oh, come on. Maybe they're just testing. Whoa. Whoa.